Hi, everybody. Good to see you. Wow. Today is actual Diwali. So happy birthday. No, happy New Year to everybody who's celebrating today. Might be some people's birthdays as well, of course. So happy birthday to them too. And today we're going to have a look at making some other kinds of beautiful lights go into the sky. Last week we made some beautiful divas. I'll show you mine in a minute. One that we made last week, and you can see how that came out and how it's all ready to be lit tonight for the first night of Diwali. Here it is. It's sequins on the top, all shiny, with a little candle in the middle, ready to be lit when it gets dark this evening. Let's sing hello, and then we'll think about perhaps making some pretend fireworks. Sing hello to everyone, sing hello to everyone, sing hello to everyone, sing hello. Clap hello to everyone, clap hello to everyone, clap hello to everyone, clap hello. Wiggle hello to everyone, wiggle hello to everyone, wiggle hello to everyone, wiggle hello. So there we are now. How are we going to make pretend fireworks? What are fireworks? Well, sometimes at this time of year, it's Diwali, and in a couple of weeks' time, it's bonfire night. It's very dark in the evenings. It's lovely to have something that can light up the sky. Real fireworks are very expensive and they can be quite dangerous. Sometimes we can just go and watch them at a special sort of display. And sometimes we can pretend, just like we're going to, and have some homemade fireworks, not ones that you can really light, but ones that you can imagine, use all of your thinking and imagine as real fireworks. So how can we do them? Well, a lot of fireworks are what's called rockets. And I think these tubes could be the bottom part of the rocket before the lovely colours come out at the top. Got a long tube that used to be part of the kitchen roll. The little one that used to be part of the toilet roll. What could we use to make firework flames and the beautiful shiny sparkly bits that come out inside? Well, we could use all sorts of things, just like the two tubes that we can recycle. Something that's been used once, we're going to use it again, and then we can put it into the recycling. I've got some newspaper, and I could make one of my fireworks with that. It's got some nice bright colours on it. Or maybe I could use an old magazine. Or perhaps it's been somebody's birthday recently, and you could use some wrapping paper, or sometimes people wrap their presents up in coloured tissue. Any of those would make really good fireworks. So we're going to take a piece of our newspaper. We'll try doing one with newspaper. And fold it up, or like that, so that we've got a sort of rectangular shape. Grown-ups, take a good look. And then we're going to get our scissors and then cut down like this. You see? And we're going to cut across the top, like this. Got lots of bits ready to splay out. And then we're going to take one of those rolls and stick it down into the middle. Oh, look at those beautiful lights coming out of the top. Look, there's another newspaper one that I made. Oh, and something else, you can decorate the tubes. Maybe whilst the grown-up is doing the cutting of the newspaper, one of you children could get your pens and decorate the tubes just so that you could make them all bright. Doesn't have to be all neat and tidy. Lovely sparkly colours on the front. Whoa, that looks good. I've done most of mine in red. I think in a minute I might try a bit of yellow as well. So that is one made from a newspaper. And look, here's one with some wrapping paper inside. And then here's one big one going right up high into the sky. Look at that rocket. Whoa. So those are pretend ones. I did have another idea as well. If you had something like the inside of a sellotape roll, so a piece of cardboard, like the other bits of cardboard that we were talking about just now, that could be one of those fireworks that go round and round and whizzes round. I think they're called Catherine wheels. That's a good name. It does look like a wheel, doesn't it? And maybe if you have a bit of old leftover foil from the kitchen, you could fasten it round like this, make it look sparkly and bright when it went round. Lots of things you could try. Fireworks are fun, and it is much more fun to have your own pretend ones. So let's imagine we're going to go out and we're going to be outside looking at lovely fireworks in the sky, the ones that we've just made. And let's get ourselves ready to go out. It gets very dark, even before your bedtime, doesn't it? With tea time, it's starting to get dark, and today we're going to go outside when it is a little bit dark. So it's a bit cold, so maybe we'll put on our scarf. And perhaps we'll put some hats on. If you've got a hat, put your hat on. And then when we get outside, maybe we'll do something to warm us up a little bit before we start standing still to watch our fireworks going up in the sky. I need some gloves as well. I think put the gloves on. Yep. Well, I'm ready to go out. You? Outside. Oh, look, there are stars in the sky today. Looks really sparkly and nice. I like that. But it is a bit cold. Got the coat on, yeah? Maybe we could sing a song to warm us up a bit. Perhaps we could do Here We Go Round the Mulberry Bush, and we could pretend that we're going round and round and round where we're going to let off the fireworks in a little while, and we're going to get nice and warm. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush on a dark and chilly evening. This is the way we clap our hands, clap our hands, clap our hands. This is the way we clap our hands on a dark and chilly evening. And this is the way we jump up and down, jump up and down, jump up and down. This is the way we jump up and down on a dark and chilly evening. Are you a bit warmer now? Good, because it's time for the firework display to begin. This one's ready to go. We're going to light the bottom in a minute. This one's ready to go. Whoa. Hey, you could, if you like, pretend that you are a firework when we sing our fireworks song. How about that? So, the fireworks song goes like this. Goes, fireworks go up and down, up and down, up and down. Fireworks go up and down, red and green and yellow. Do you remember the round and round one? The Catherine wheel. Fireworks go round and round, round and round, round and round. Fireworks go round and round, all clap hands together. Fireworks go up and down, up and down, up and down. Fireworks go up and down, red and green and yellow. Wow, what a good firework display that was. Much better than the real firework. Whoa, look at that one. So, now the fireworks are over. Oh, it really is dark. And stars are really shining in the sky. I think it might be time for us to go inside. Take off our coats and our scarves and our hats and get ready for bed. Really bedtime. Maybe we could sing ourselves a little twinkle song before it's time to say goodbye. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. up above, the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Stars are there every night, aren't they? You can have a look for them when you go to sleep. Fireworks are only there very occasionally, not very often. The stars are there all the time, and the moon, although sometimes there are clouds and it's hard to see. Now it's time for us to say goodbye. I think I'll take the scarf off. I'm getting a bit hot. There we are. See you again soon, everybody. Have a good week. Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye. Kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye. Bye from Claire and Sarah and Judy in the Toy Library. See you soon.